Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Breitling Superocean Heritage 57 Outerknown, reference A103703A1Q1W1. It's from the famous surfer Kelly Slater, whose brand is known as Outerknown, where Breitling and Outerknown, the company, have collaborated to create the watch that you see in front of you. They also made another version, which was 500 pieces, limited to 500 pieces, which had basically looked the same, except the bezel was gold and the hour markers were gold. This one is still limited in number, although it's not limited in actual number. They don't put X number on it, but there's a limited supply of them. And it's still the same watch, it's just without the gold. And it's not limited, and it's $1,000 less in retail price than the limited version. So anyways, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the history of this watch. Then I'll tell you about where it stands in the lineup of other similar Superoceans. Then I will tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement. Finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with, when did this watch come about? Well, Breitling is doing collaborations ever so often, not that often, but ever so often. And they do it with, I can't imagine a better person to do the collaboration with than one of the, I would say, the most epic surfer known to man, which is Kelly Slater. Won the most number of surf championships and has the most storied career. And in 2020, amidst the COVID pandemic, Breitling decided to release their special edition Outerknown Limit, which is what you're looking at here. And at the time, if you remember back in 2020, April or so, it was a crazy time. Everything was shut down. But Breitling decided to release it online, and the rest is history. It is still a very cool watch. It has cues from Kelly Slater's brand, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it as we go along. Now, where does it stand in the lineup of other similar Superoceans? Well, as of 2026, Breitling has made a lot of new improvements in their Superocean, so they don't really look like this anymore. They look, I'd say, quite a bit different, the newer versions. But this was kind of an older style. That's how they did it back then. Now the Superoceans actually almost look completely different, but it's still part of the Superocean collection. Okay, so yeah, it looks a little bit more vintage, but I'm not sure that's a terribly bad thing. This is actually part of the Superocean Heritage, so it still looks similar, but it still has some cues from it, but it's still a bit different. All right, now let's start talking about the watch itself. And as I go through the watch, I'll sort of point out the differences between this one, the special edition, and some of the basic Superocean heritages. Okay, all right. Let's start with the case here. The case is going to be a 42 millimeter case with a thickness of just 10 millimeters, and it's a pretty nice size if you compare it to other. This is time only. They make the case is going to be the same. It's going to be all stainless steel. And if you look at the next portion of this, which is the bezel, now the bezel actually is going to also be in steel. As I stated earlier, the limited edition one has it in gold, but the non-limited is in steel, as you can see here. Okay, and that part is not going to be any different from the ones that the non-limited versions that are being sold right now. It's still going to have this steel bezel. Well, I should say it's a steel bezel holder, and the bezel itself is going to be, I think it's probably aluminum bezel or acrylic bezel. I'm not actually sure what this bezel is made of. I doubt it's made out of ceramic. It doesn't look like it's made out of ceramic. Probably like an aluminum insert. But anyways, okay. The point is it's black and it's not any different from the other in production versions, non-limited versions. What is different though is the next part, which is the dial. Dial is pretty interesting, kind of cool. First of all, it's brown. They do make brown ones, but I don't think they make brown and stainless steel. They make it on rose gold, but not in this configuration. So to first have a watch in stainless steel with this brown dial, I think that part is pretty cool. And then you look at the dial itself, you see how it has at the 12 o'clock, this sort of circle. On all the ones that are in production now, you don't have that. You just have regular hour markers everywhere else except 12. And normally on the Superoceans, you don't usually see that, except I guess on the no dates. But okay, anyways, it has a brown dial, and I like how the hour markers are sort of angled in. They don't exactly look like a normal rectangle. They have a bit of an angle to them, and the sunray finish, this chocolate dial, is also quite nice. So, okay. Which brings me to my next point, which is the strap. The strap here is one of the coolest things on here. It says on their website they use it from a recycled, it's called an eco yarn. Somehow they design it and they pair it with some kind of recycled yarn or something like that, which makes it, I guess, eco-friendly. I think that's pretty cool. It actually says right here, I'll read it to you. It says, Eco Yarn, a single-piece strap repurposed from nylon waste pulled out from the ocean like fishing nets. I have to say, actually, that's pretty cool. They remove the junk, they somehow refine the material, reuse it, and then put it into a watch strap that has something to do with the ocean. Superocean, Kelly Slater. It all kind of makes sense and all kind of jives. I like the idea and the concept, and that's probably why they did very well with this watch. And this color combination, you don't see it on any of their other ones, so that's pretty cool. All right, now let's move on to the movement here. Movement, you can't see it anyways. It's a self-winding mechanical movement. It's a Breitling caliber 10, and it's quite nice. What can we say about it? Okay, and the strap I already told you about. It's an interesting strap, and it's a collaboration with Kelly Slater's Outerknown brand. And if you can see, even on the top of it, it says OK. That stands for Outerknown. All right, cool. So I guess that would be it. Let's try this watch on and give me my thoughts. Now, I think for the price point, I like this watch quite a bit. I mean, the retail price is somewhere around, well, when it was released back in 2020, the prices were different. It was like $4,500 or something like that. But now, even the regular ones on Breitling's website, they're going to be quite a bit more than that. I think, $5,000-$6,000 at minimum. So I think if you can get this watch at a retail, under retail, given that it's a special edition and it's got some history behind it, and it has a good purpose, and it's just overall pretty cool, and it's not that expensive. We're selling it at jazztime.com somewhere in the $3,000 to $4,000 range, so not terribly expensive. So, and if you're a fan of Kelly Slater or surfing, this is a pretty cool watch to get, and it doesn't break the bank. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.